I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germain. The portals are open around you. What do you need to release? What have you been struggling with in your mind? Wherever there are struggles, they're like skirmishes they're like skirmishes at the end of the war. They're like skirmishes and battles in the different fields. Inside yourself, there are things you battle with. Aging, who's hurt you, the way other people behave, your fears of the death of things you consider beautiful and right. Look around you. Be forgiving. Be forgiving of those who have pointed out your flaws and your faults. And look at them with honesty. Those flaws and faults are mirrors that you need to look into, particularly if you see them in others. If you continuously see particular flaws in others that irritate you, then take a breath and perhaps transform how you see it. See that as a mirror into your own soul and understand what you are grappling with inside yourself. The time for struggle is over. Letting go, releasing, peeling off, being. Do not be so attached to the being looking like something. This is where you get stuck as well, trying to hold a vision or a picture of something particularly looking a particular way, having attachment to that, just as you had attachment to those fears that Michael spoke about earlier. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. I remind you and give you the Violet Cloak of St. Germain. Take it around you and wear it into the portals. When you sleep, and this goes for everyone on your planet, those who are sleeping already now in other continents and other places and spaces, and yourselves that will be going into sleep time at some point in the next several hours, when you sleep, you will all be lifted into the portal, whether you are conscious or unconscious. By preparing yourself before you sleep and seeing yourself, clearing yourself, donning the cloak of St. Germain and carrying the sword of truth and light, you will be prepared to step in that portal with a greater consciousness, to meet those things in the dream time in the next 2 nights that you need to meet and that you need to release. I am St. Germain. Palms open around the heart chakra. Draw the breath in. Call on the violet flame and the violet cloak. Imagine it dropping around your shoulders. You will feel it. You will feel the vibration drop on you. Tone now 9 times. Bring yourself, surround yourself in the flame of the violet cloak in Saint Germain. Om. If you have a water vessel with you, place it between your palms now and send the energy of the violet flame into the water. Use this moment to turn your palms out and bless anything in your life that needs blessing. Your business, your body, your friends, your world. Use the power of blessing. Feel the vibration of the violet flame moving through your spine through that cloak. The violet cloak protects and activates. It protects the spine, and your spines are important at this time. Keep the palms wrapped around the water vessel and bring the vibration of the violet flame into the water that you have. Just bring it in and send your thoughts of loving kindness to the water. See the waters flowing on the earth purely and cleanly in the rain, in the snow, through the rivers, through the oceans. Send that vibration out. You are learning to be miracles, to create miracles, to work with miracles. I am Saint Germain. And drawing the breath into the body deeply, deeply, holding the palms open. Allow yourselves to relax.